Good evening, Sam. How are you? Sam, from my research that I already started, this is Santiago, South America. This is Easter Island. Oh my god, why? Yeah, this is Easter Island. Easter Island, and this is Shadam, which is at your region, mate. This is Shadam, this is New Zealand, and this is Shadam. I do have a question now, and you may help me. All over the world, all over our earth, there is a tremendous number of islands. Except this portion, we don't have any island over there. That portion, it's more than uh, uh, 5,000 wide and 4,000 tall length. 4,000 miles like that and 5,000 like that. Nothing at all, nothing at all. No any shown an island at all. I mean below Easter towards this area. This is Santiago, this is here at the other side Oshawa, and no islands. This is nothing, just nothing. It's below sea. Those all below sea. What they shown as islands, they are all below sea. This is I have no idea about. The same. They said Lars Christensen Peak. That's maybe a peak getting outside the sea, but nothing at all here, Sam. Nothing. Nothing at all. And it's not explainable also. This is just, they are telling Arctic Ocean diversity, Arctic. Come on, don't get stuck now. Arctic Ocean Diversity Project. So nothing is there, just nothing. Just it's like illusion that we do have something here, so you will not ask this question anymore. Nothing here, nothing, purely nothing. Look, until you reach Shadam, until you reach there, no islands at all. But in the everywhere else you do have a lot of islands, a lot of islands here, a lot of islands everywhere, a lot of islands. Look, there's some sort of my calculations which I used to do. This is LA, this is LA, a lot of calculations, a lot of islands over here. By the way, I found some weird stuff. Have you seen those yellow lines? It's something like it's like a pointer, like something cuts that place hidden up to the North Pole. By the way, it's directly pointing to the North Pole. While I'm searching, I found that one, which goes directly down there. So my question, where is the islands over here? Over this all huge part of the world? Nothing. I think there is something there, but it's kept hidden from us. That's all, Sam. All the best. Bye.